Build it, ship it, improve it. Make mobile app development faster and simpler with DeployGate. Great apps get better through fast, continuous feedback. But getting test builds into the right hands isn't always easy.
Want to start beta testing without waiting for App Store approval?
Explaining installation steps to every tester takes time.
As team members come and go, keeping app access up to date becomes more complicated.
When issues arise during testing, gathering device details, app information, and logs can mean endless back and forth. And sometimes, the device you need simply isn't available. DeployGate makes all of this simpler. App distribution. Upload your app and share it right away. Testers simply open a link or scan a QR code to install the build. Keep everyone updated through tools such as Slack and Microsoft Teams. DeployGate also supports app distribution to Android TV.
Member management. Invite members to your workspace, assign them to projects, and set their permissions. Admins manage access from one place, making it easy to ensure former members no longer have access.
Capture. Lets testers share a screen recording or screenshot, together with useful app, device, and log information. Developers get the context they need to understand issues and fix them faster. Instant device. No test device nearby? Instant device lets you launch and operate your app directly in a browser.
Also, by opening multiple browser windows, you can easily compare how your app looks and behaves across different devices, OS versions, and screen orientations. Agent plugin. Use DeployGate directly from AI coding agents such as Claude Code and Codex. Set up your testing workflow through conversation.
From your first build to every improvement, DeployGate helps your team keep moving. Get started with the free plan today. Make mobile app development faster and simpler.
DeployGate.